Notes on the experiment. Step 1. Pour 50 ml of hydrogen peroxide into the jar. When pouring hydrogen peroxide, please keep an eye on the distance between the beaker spout and the jar's mouth. They should not be too far apart from each other. Make sure that the beaker spout is facing the jar's mouth to prevent hydrogen peroxide from spilling. If the jar we use has no spout, just like this, it will be easy for the liquid to spill when you pour. In this kind of situation, use a glass rod to let the liquid flow along the glass rod and down into the container. First, put the glass rod inside the container. Next, slowly pour the liquid down the glass rod. We can see that the liquid has flowed into the jar. When using a beaker to pour the liquid, pour from the spout so that the liquid will not spill. Just like the demonstration now. Usually, the liquids used at the elementary school level are not hazardous. However, in junior and senior high school, strong acids or strong bases are used. To prevent liquid from splashing, use a glass rod to let the liquid flow down the glass rod and into the beaker. Pour slowly so the liquid would not splash. Before we start the experiment, take out some enoki mushroom. Take an appropriate amount, roughly this much. Wash the mushroom first to remove the dirt. Wash and cut off the bottom. It will be like this after we cut it off. Cut the washed enoki mushroom into chunks that are about 1 centimeter long. Please watch out for your hand when you cut. Carrots might be used in other versions of the experiment. Oxygen's reaction rate will be affected by the different materials. If you want to find out which material will react faster or slower, we may use different materials as the reactant. Let us put the enoki mushroom we have just cut into the jar. Next, take a glass plate to cover the mouth of the jar. Carefully observe the generation of bubbles in the jar and the increase in the solution's temperature. Light the incense using a lighter. Please ask for the teacher's assistance when lighting it. Move the glass plate to create a small opening. The opening should not be bigger than half of the mouth, or the gas in the jar may escape. The opening should not be too small either, or it would be hard to insert the incense. As for the incense's location, please put the incense between the liquid and the jar's mouth. Now we see that the flame has gotten bigger. Everyone, please do not get scared. Do not scream. Please do not let go of the incense or put the incense directly into the liquid. We just have to wait for a little while and the incense will be extinguished. Everyone must watch out. The blackened places will be hot. So we need to remove the glass plate and take the incense out, and we will not get burned.